Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can integrate LinkedIn with your Webflow accounts. So there is no application for LinkedIn. So when you go here to the marketplace and you try to actually link it with LinkedIn, so LinkedIn is not really here. So what can we do to connect them? You could use another application or third-party apps like Post Blaster. So you could go and search for Post Blaster and you might find it here, as you can see, and this will automatically link some kind of your posts on social media with the CMS articles that you will post on your Webflow account. But if you want more than this, there is another case scenario where you would need Zapier, because Zapier will give you more opportunities when it comes to integration. So let's see how we can connect it with LinkedIn. So go to your Zapier account, make it to create it, and then go here, connect Webflow to 8,000 applications, and then here you will be in this page normally. So let's rename it, for example, here LinkedIn Webflow. This is important so you can know what Zapier are working with. And here what I'm gonna do is to add another step. I'm gonna search for link, and here we go, LinkedIn. So now what I'm gonna do is to choose what kind of integration I would like it to be, or what kind of automation. For example, for whatever post there will be here created, so new order, new form submission, for example, a new post, so create, share, update. So create a post that's update, sharing some content. So a new update will be shared on my page. Something similar to that. In case you had a company, you could choose the first one. So once you do these two, make sure to connect your accounts on LinkedIn and your Webflow, and then click on publish. And there you go. You have committed the whole process. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.